8. Necklace beads. In 2004, archaeologists discovered in what is now Israel, Morocco and Algeria a series of shells that were in fact necklace beads. They dated from 100,000 years ago, from the times of the first emigration of Homo sapiens or Cro-Magnon man from Africa. They are known to be beads and not mere mollusk shells because they all had a hole drilled in the same place, a hole made by the hand of man, and they showed signs of having been painted and quite worn, as if they had been put together by a rope or cord for a long time. All this suggests that they were worn as jewelry. This invention may just seem too much, but what it implies is almost colossal. That forms of behavior, typical of early modern humans, such as language, developed much earlier than previously thought. The making of the holes in the beads and the need to wear them mean that language existed, because there was a capacity for symbolic communication. Personal adornments are a very powerful communication tool. They indicate social status and marital status, for example. And if this was so, it is because there was a complex language behind it. The fact that these shells were found in different places and dated from the same time, being always used in a similar way, suggests that it was a cultural phenomenon, a shared tradition transmitted from one culture to another over thousands of years. The fact that several of these locations were found inland indicates that the necklaces and beads were clearly intentionally brought there. Either the people who lived in the interior traveled to the sea to get them, or, and more likely, exchange networks were maintained between inhabitants of the coast with inhabitants of the interior.